This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rafael Rodriguez. Premier South Gables 2-story family residence featuring 4 very spacious bedrooms, 3 upstairs, 1 downstairs, 3 baths, marble and wood floors throughout, open floor plan with lots of natural light, large kitchen with extended counter space and open to family room, propane gas generator that powers entire home, spacious backyard, limestone walk paths, large 1-car garage and professionally landscaped. Ideal location, minutes away from Sunset Place, The Grove and MIA. For more information, review the details below or contact Rafael Rodriguez at 305-666-0059.